Yes, I know we're not the same. I'm so tired of playing games. You don't have to be so